Umbulazi amashobane. Nkosi yami. I'm actually very honored to have him joining us on the show today. Sawubona Xolani.
Sanibona sizinjani?
Siyaphila bhuti njani wena?
Kuyaphileka.
First of all, thank God you're alive. We just wanted to make sure you're fine, first of all, because the people that you are dealing with, my word. Are you not scared?
No. I am not scared.
Are you serious? Like, a little bit of fear?
I can't say it's here, It's there, but the most important thing, it's the cause of what we are doing.
Yeah. So how did the show come about? If you could just give us a little bit of a background.
The show, Moja Love. So, then what discuss ukuthi ishow mele ibenjani and ishow yani. Then I was like, iwona umsebenzi engiwenzayo.
Yeah.
So angeke ngihlule.
So Xolani, tell us a bit about yourself. Bulaz, wakhula ngephi? How did you become I believe you're a private investigator?
You'll be very surprised. Xolani uzalwa eThembisa in Gauteng.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and ngifunde khona, ngiphile khona. Then professionally I'm an explosive engineer.
What?
So yeah.
So you're busy engineering the country right now?
Yeah. So I was in mining for over 12 years. Then when this opportunity came about, I was like, hey, the mining is reborn.
Wow. That is insane. Yeah. Everyone actually thought that you are like really, truly qualified. Well, I'm not taking anything away from the job that you do, but I'm saying, Gutsi, this is what we thought, but engineering is quite interesting. It means, Gutsi, well, your way of thinking is quite critical, which is the reason why I want to find out from you, Gutsi, when you go to these places, as nama drug dealers, I don't want to know much about where the information you get from, but you already know that you're going to find drugs, yes?
Yes, 100%. So what we do is I have a very strong team of investigators, and I have a very strong team of people that validate information. So what we do is we research. I believe research is the most important thing in everything a person does.
Absolutely.
Yes, when any kind of business or whatever that you do, as long as your research is on point, you know exactly what you're dealing with.
All right, and I'm going to ask you a very difficult question right now because it's something that all of us have been wanting to know. Ukuthi, when you guys go to an ad break, these guys are not cooperating. Then you say these magic words, "Don't worry. You and me are going to be fine." So what exactly are you asking them not to worry about? I don't want you to incriminate yourself because whatever you're doing works. So I don't even want to know the nitty-gritties. I just want to know when you say, "Don't worry," where does the confidence to know, I'm going to get what I want?
Yeah, the thing is, I work with professionals.
Right.
I work with professionals and I work with law enforcement. So when it comes to such things, I know these guys were trained to question people. So I give the platform to the police, and the police will take over. Then I'll come back and say, I told you.
Don't worry. And they don't worry.
No, they shouldn't worry. They mustn't worry.
No, they mustn't worry. We don't worry. So there's a lot of people that keep asking me, how did you manage to make an old man pass gas? Wamsuzisa nje umpela umuntu out of fear. Was that real?
Yes. Okay. The thing is, I think it was somewhere in KZN, Richards Bay. Yeah, so we had intelligence that this guy is operating. So because of my pictures and videos were circulating amongst the foreign nationals saying this guy is giving us problems. I don't know what they were circulating my pictures for, but for me, everyone knew that I was there. So as soon as I walked in, Minani Timiam, he knew what it's about to go down. Yeah, so I think out of panic, we are So because of, when you are relaxed and you think you have everything under control, then someone walks in. The first thing is ukshaya, it's that knock of uktuka. Yeah.
So
buyers incriminate sometimes, buyer panic and stuff like that. That one. Yeah.
Can I just find out the level of cooperation that you are getting from government, amaphoyisa, uhulumeni in general? Are you happy with that?
I can't say I'm totally happy, but in some places I do get the support. There are people in high positions, especially GUSAPs and your JMPDs and your EMPDs. They do support me. But abanye, because some of them are compromised, or some of them have interest, or some of them are beneficiaries in their own way, are supporting at all. But I understand because it's human behavior. That one. So not everyone is as productive as the other. But if I come across someone who's productive and who wants to work and who wants to make this country a better place, we work very well with them. And even because communities are starting to get involved. They want this thing to end, so we work very well with them. So and we always try to conscientize our communities to establish our local police unit, their own policing forum that fights against crime and drugs.
And I want to find out from you, you don't have to name names, but do you think that high-ranking officials do benefit from drugs actually being so widespread in the country? Have you experienced or have you heard of any names doing the rounds, even if you don't mention them?
No, so far, no. So far, angagezwa no too. But there's rumors that there are people who are involved, but we can't confirm that because we don't have evidence. Evidence. Whenever I go to a drug dealer, I go there with concrete and positive evidence.
Personally, I'm a bit fed up with the whole foreigners being the ones that are pushing drugs in the country, and I do make this known. It's something I'm absolutely not apologetic about. But for you personally, being on the ground and witnessing this for yourself, what would you say is the problem really? Why do we have so many foreigners doing drugs willy-nilly in the country? What's the issue?
I think because of if it was something that is done by everyone, surely I could have got information about a lot of people. But all the positive information that I get is for a specific foreign people. So for me, it shows Wuti, this is not just about business. But for me, I see it as a terrorist attack against our country. So we have to stand up and make sure that we take our country back, our buildings back, our street back, because of it's not easy for them to operate. But the people, there are women who benefit from
absolutely. From the lifestyle.
Yes, there are old ladies who benefit from drug dealers. There are communities that benefit from those people. So if Tina, as a South Africans, believe you me, for these people to work.
And since I'm a huge fan of your show, and I'll make sure I watch it religiously, and you're not going to say it, I'll say it for you. So you've got to
welcome back to Xolani Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, that was the interview between Xolani Khumalo, Wesizokuthola on Moja Love and Vuma FM. Lana, guys, he answered many of the questions abantu abahlezi bezibuza yona njengokuthi mhlawumbe uyiphoyisa yini noma mhlawumbe uneziqu zakwa security or military njengoba enza lo msebenzi nje. Wase wathi cha yena wazenzela nje engineering. He was working with mining industry and he saw the opportunity wase wayisebenzisa and guys ke South Africa ke ibukeke ngazuthi cha iyawujabulela kakhulu umsebenzi wakhe. Uxolani also explain ke ngokwenzeka behind the scene le eyenza abantu bazikhiphela ama drugs after lawo ma short breaks lasimuza khona ethi hayi khuleka don't worry wena nje uzowakhipha ama drugs ngempela sibona umuntu esemkhombisa ukuthi nanka afihlwe la kube uyena lo muntu lo ohambe emkhombisa ukuthi akuphi ama drugs. Hope you enjoy this interview and his show. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.